everyone, welcome back to Hope Happiness Bazaar. So today I'll be showing you a few new lipsticks from Oriflame brand. So basically these are the matte mousse which was launched in Oriflame in the month of February. So at that point of time I purchased these lipsticks at a very affordable price, which is approx for 299 rupees, but these lipsticks retail for actually 699. So I would like to show you the lip swatches as well as hand swatches to you of all the 6 shades which I have bought. So recently Oriflame launched 6 shades in this range in India, and there are more shades available in other countries as well, but in India they have launched only 6 shades. So let's get started, and then I'll let you know from where you can purchase these lipsticks from, because as they are of Oriflame, so they are not easily available in the market, because you need to be a member of Oriflame for purchasing it from direct site of Oriflame. So after showing you the swatches, I will actually also tell you from where you guys can purchase these lipsticks. So let's get started. So the first lipstick which I want to show you is called as Pink Velour. So these are the lipsticks. So basically these are the lipsticks available in these 6 shades. So before showing you the swatches, I would like to tell you the good part of these lipsticks. So these are like liquid lipsticks Oriflame launched for the first time. So unlike other brands liquid lipstick, these lipsticks are not at all drying. They are really moisturizing on your lips, but they are not equally 100% matte on your lips. They are a bit glossier, like a bit of shine is there after applying it. So, and also they actually remains on your lip for good 3 to 4 hours. So this is the good part of these lipsticks. So the best thing which I found in these lipsticks, all the 6 shades, is that these lipsticks are really moisturizing on my lips, especially during winter when I use these lipsticks, any kind of lip balm on my lips. So that's why I really like these lipsticks. Although the staying power is only 3 to 4 hours, but I can always do touch up every single hour, so that's hardly matters to me. So yeah, talking about the first shade is of these lip sensational matte mousse from the brand Oriflame, and especially under Oriflame there is one brand called The One. So they launched these lipsticks. So the first lipstick is Pink Velour, and the code of this lipstick is 31949, which is written out here, and also in here you can see the expiry date of all the lipsticks which you got from this brand. So this is the shade which I have applied right now. I'll show you the hand swatch of this. So this is the shade. Really nice, baby pink color. Really nice shade for daily wear, for office, for college. So this is really nice. It is not so bright color. It is like a kind of baby pink shade, and look amazing on your lips. Especially it is good for fairer skin tone or lighter skin tone both. There are more options for darker skin tone in this range, so we will actually look after more shades for darker skin tone. So this is the shade. And this is how it's look on lips. Which is Red Velvet. So this is Red Velvet. a very nice red color with pink undertone. So this is the shade. So this was Red Velvet. So let's move to the next shade, which is Raspberry Cloud. So this one is Raspberry Cloud. This is very good pinkish, like neonish pinkish shade. So this will look very good on brighter skin tone, because because summer is approaching us, or especially in Delhi, it's like very hot in here. So especially in summer, these neonish shades work amazing on your face. It looks really good, because during fall season we usually go for like darker shades, but during summer we can actually go for these kind of shades which look amazing, and very cool toned pink color is this. So you can always go forward to try this. So yeah, so we talk about the swatch of this. So this is Raspberry Cloud, really bright pink, and it will actually give you really like glowing effect on your face, because it's really glow up my face when I actually apply it. So let me show you the swatch of that. So guys, this was Raspberry Cloud. So the next lipstick is for this is for all skin type, or for all of the people girls out there. So this is for everybody of us. So this is Soft Mulberry. This is really like fall shade. Like we can use it best during winters, and during summer we can definitely wear this during night time, because this is a good proper darker version of mauve color. So if I show you Soft Mulberry shade, so this is the shade, how it looks like. This is darker version of, you can say darker version of mauve color, or like a kind of purplish shade is this. So it look amazing on each and every skin tone, and especially during night time in summers it look amazing. So this is Soft Mulberry. Guys, before showing you the swatch, I would like to tell you that for all the lipstick which I'm showing you right here, I will actually put the name of the lipstick and also try to find out from where you can purchase all of them with the code of these lipsticks, so that if you are buying these lipsticks from directly Oriflame, so at that point of time it will be much easier for you to check these kind of to add these kind of lipsticks in your cart, because Oriflame, as you know, as you guys already know, that Oriflame do have code for each and every product. So that's why I'll be mentioning the code of these lipsticks to you guys. so that will be easier for you to purchase. So this one is soft mulberry. This is soft mulberry. This was soft mulberry. So the next shade is Rogue Suit. So out of all the 6 shades, this Rogue Suit is my favorite shade because this is a perfect dupe of MAC Ruby Woo. Because as you guys, like, if you will Google it out, or like if you guys have tried Ruby Woos, then you must have known that this Ruby Woo is a color from the brand MAC, which actually gives your face really like brightness when it is for all skin type. First of all, let me tell you that Ruby Woo, and if you will actually apply it on your lips, it will give you automatically, whether you have applied any kind of makeup or not, it will automatically give you a great like glow on your face. So the shade Rogue Suit, which I am going to show you right now, is just a dupe of Ruby Woo. So let me show you that. So this is Rogue Suit, proper like red shade with a maroon undertone. So really good for daytime, nighttime, like anywhere you can like wear this. And I just love this shade because of the fact, because it gives like, it is for first of all, it is for each and every skin tone. It is not like for brighter or darker skin tone, it is for everybody of us. Secondly, this is that color which will automatically give you a really great glow on your face. So you need not to be very like you need not to apply so much of makeup to look good after applying this shade. So this is the best part in this lipstick. So without wasting any time, let me show you the swatch of this. This is Rogue Suit, proper red shade with maroon undertone. So guys, this was Rogue Suit. Last lipstick in this range is Coral Dream. So this is also perfect for each and every skin tone, and it will complement every one of us. And the best part is this is really summer shade in this collection, like the pink velour. So this is really a summer shade, and you can wear it during daytime, nighttime, according to your dress. So this one is Coral Dream. This is a proper like orange shade, a bright orange shade. So like the name is saying that this is Coral Dream, really coralish shade, good for, even great for summers. So without wasting any time, let me show you the swatch. So guys, see, this is Coral Dream, proper floral color, proper orange color. So with this last shade, all these swatches of my lip shade has come to an end. So guys, please let me know in the comment section if you guys like all the swatches of these lipsticks. So these lipsticks come with like 5 ml of packaging, so you get 5 ml of product for $6.99. So if you are lucky enough, so you will get good discount in Oriflame directly. And guys, let me tell you one thing which you don't know. If you are a member of Oriflame, then you will get 24% discount on all the product, whether it is like showing as discount in the booklet or not. So you will get 20% off, flat 20% off on all the products which you are purchasing, if only if you are a Oriflame member. So from where now the question arises that from where you can purchase these lipsticks, because they have launched only 6 lipsticks in India. So first option, Oriflame site, which is only possible if you are a member of, or if you know the member, any member nearby your place. So first thing. Secondly, you can buy it from Amazon, because these lipsticks are available in Amazon for I think rupees 569 rupees. This actually retails for 699 rupees, but Amazon is selling it for 569 rupees. Then thirdly, you can also purchase it from Flipkart as well. So from Flipkart you can get these lipsticks for 549 rupees. So yeah, so you have 3 options with you, so you can purchase it either of the 3. Thirdly, I will also like try to find out as many links as possible from where you can purchase these lipstick, and mention all of the like links in the bottom bar, so that you guys, it will be easier for you guys to purchase the shade which you like the most. So yeah, that's all for today's video. So please hit like button if you like my video and like my efforts, and also click on the please subscribe to my channel in case like you really think like I'm doing efforts to show you nice products. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video, and see you next time. Thank you, bye.